Good morning, YouTube. This is July 1st.
Hello.
11:16 a.m. It is 89 degrees here in Battambang, Cambodia. Yesterday we got back about
From
4 or 5
Siem
in the afternoon. I just got tired. Didn't want to vlog. Didn't want to do anything. Just take that day off after the drive from Siem Reap. It was a great 3 days in Siem Reap. It's tiring, you know. It's vacation from vacation from vacation. It's exhausting. It's tiring.
We actually passed out from sleepiness.
We passed out. So I didn't have breakfast yet. We're gonna go have lunch. We're gonna have lunch at the same spot we had dinner at. It's a Chinese man who immigrated here to Cambodia, and he barely speaks Khmer, but he makes really good dumplings, fresh noodles and fresh dumplings.
Yes, he's the dumpling master.
He's a dumpling master, so we are going to go and have that for lunch again. It was that good.
Yay.
We did drive around by the riverside, and they were still having all the vendors from that Durian buffet festival. That was going on the weekend, so they still have those guys. I'm hoping to have it today so we can come by later this evening and just walk around and enjoy some street food. Well, hopefully it'll stay there. So we will see. Anyways, I'm trying to edit. I got about 3 to 4 days of videos to edit and upload. So I'm working on that today. Haven't gotten that far yet. I did upload one video from a few days ago. Hope you guys enjoy and watch that. Okay, we're gonna have some lunch. Alrighty, bye. So here we are at this restaurant again. I didn't take a video of it. I didn't take a video this time. I wanted to take a video this time. This is the dumplings. Very good dumplings. With some chow mein. Yeah. This is called Chinese noodle dumplings. I cannot find it on Panda Express. Or I'm not Panda, it's Food Panda. His telephone number. What's the name of it in Cambodian? I'm pretty sure I can find it. Lin. Lin, Lin. Do you have your phone? Do you have Food Panda? Do you have Food Panda? Do you have Panda Express or Food Panda?
Yeah.
Can you write this? Can you look at it with your phone?
Food Panda.
No. Sẽ mong xe on.
Cho miên anh đi hả? Miên anh đi nó Food Panda. Ọt miên đó, con miên là ọt chân nè.
Anyways, I don't know what flower this is. That's the lead. Is it authentically? Just gonna pan fry that dough right there. This is best with chives. And it's $2, 8,000 reals. Every single price is 8,000 reals, but it's $2. Yeah, he handmade these himself. He's doing the chow mein. Still frying the chow mein there. The specialty is the dumpling.
Bác mang muối ta miên lúa mang bầy. Vice versa này.
Chow mein.
Lộn đó. Tinh phliên được ngon. mấy đứa nhánh hộp tới lần là muộn cô nhung vậy thấu nhánh nha à nhánh nha
Yeah, it makes it every day.
Mấy cháu cho rồi tạm mi vài kiềm nó ngất nhắn nâng ấy nâng lệch muối nè
chân đấy. What do you mean?
mi cà lô nó cũng đặt qua lương tục ban du mi cà lô nó khơi tục ban du ngày mặt hai
This is Milwaukee.
chân mà ôm mặt rồi
Con khó khô này.
anh lấy ai kể
Kho cổ, miền cha, miền sụp.
Cái cha khó khô.
cha khó khô
Đã trái đất của mình. It's interesting. Bye. Okay. Nhắm coi.
hai con mua mấy đại chiến nên là
Yeah,
máy hả?
I'll try that. That's the dough. That's right. He made the dumplings. He pre-made the dumplings already. It's frozen, but you know, it's handmade. So he kind of yeah. That's very good. Yeah. Let's see. Charming. Got the wok hay going.
Hey, this last night's amazing.
Yeah, you did. It was very, very good.
The dumplings are so good too. We have veggies in there.
What is our lunch?
What breakfast or brunch?
Oh.
Mì kêu nhưng mà cha tay
Why she get the sauce? Just wait until you see the dumplings.
để sao bỏ về trong nhắm trong mình tình anh
The dumplings?
I know, Nathan. Malam.
I was easy.
I looked for it kind of earlier. I couldn't find it.
họ nghe đi còn cái trong mà nhắm tầm hộp một hộp đồng hàng còn đặt vừa clear một liền
Daddy, what's the name?
I don't know, but it says Chinese little dumplings
Dumplings in that bowl.
in English.
Yeah.
Not in Tamil.
In that bowl.
được
Yeah, I'm talking.
mì hàng mì tiền khò cổ này play lịch pi vậy trái này play lịch pi nơi tôi một lại lụa kêu là lịch này Paris chẳng mà rồi đọc của môi play rồi tôi là sắp giờ ô càng phơi bạt buôn càng buôn và môi rồi đọc môi ô váy môi kể cả lan trừ ok váy mua hờ lan trừ tới khơi nhai khơi rồi lại còn khơi nha nè nhom nhăm nghe mình mà đo ngay ở lấy con tiêm mò tiệt thật ngành miền đây khác trái miền một ấy mà hộp ấy khác lấy có thơ mà sao thơ kêu nên kia là thơ phliềm tốt cái thơ phliềm nhằm phliềm hao vậy nè
Dumplings, yeah.
But they're hot.
Dumpling.
I'm not gonna bite into them right now.
nằm đi ngành nằm đi có đặt vài mười sập tấm chiên phliềm nhằm phliềm ngành mua hai rồi ngành cái gì ná chị na nhâm dùng bánh bơ là tiêu mau tiêu bạc lạng mì can ấy có ngành này ngành cái rất ngành trong cục muỗng
There's like veggies in here, so it's really good.
ngành trong cục muỗng
There's no meat in here, but it's good.
These are
Dumpling?
homemade dumplings. He keeps it frozen, but he makes it fresh every day. This is sauce that we added. It's a pan-fried flatbread. That's really good, delicious.
Looks like a pizza.
He also makes noodle soup, a wonton noodle soup, or a dumpling noodle soup.
Or
dumpling
like just
soup or
ramen.
dumpling plus noodle soup. There's also kako noodle soup as well. Yeah, it's a little hole in the wall, but it's very good.
It's the Chinese way of ramen.
Thật ba mươi món phần 4, trong món phần 4 vô.
It opens from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Guys,
Yeah, about tomorrow.
look at the inside. So, see, they're just. See, it's just veggies inside, but it's still good.
Yeah, veggies and pork actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, we killed that. The pot stickers, I didn't touch the pot stickers at all. I think it was 1 or 2
No, it's 3.
or 3. I think I got the rest and then I finished off the chow mein. And a couple of pieces left of the flatbread. I'm probably gonna finish as well.
I'm hot.
Yeah, this is good. Latino's hot. Let's complain about being hot. She wants to come in December again.
That's a compliment.
She wants to come in December again though. To Koh Rong.
Wait, what?
I might end up in Koh Rong Som Long. So we're gonna head home now after lunch. So each dish was 8,000 reals, which comes to 24,000 real. And then the drinks each cost 1,000 real. Well, a total meal of 26,000 reals,
If you guys don't know what
which
that
is about $6.50 for lunch
for American.
for 3 people. $6.50.
Yeah.
Woo! That was a good meal.
And he's still chewing.
I am still chewing the flatbread. I think I left 2 pieces on the plate.
3 actually.
But it's too much food for all
White
of us.
Rose.
Anyways, hope you try his restaurant. It's very, very good. You know, there's a little hole in the wall.
There is?
He's not. And he makes good food without all the flash, without the flair that people
Amazing.
sees. It's just him and his wife runs the
daughter.
shop, and it's very good food.
And
All right, it is about 5 in the afternoon.
5
We
inches.
are going to get some street food,
Walk around, buy
walk
some
around a
things.
little bit, not buy some things. Athena wants to buy things.
How about dragon breath?
She already has dog breath, now she wants dragon breath. Oh snap. Just joking.
You're the one that has dog breath.
It's too late, you can't copy me. But anyways, we're gonna just go walk along the streets, see what we can find. We like the noodles from last night. Maybe you want to have that again.
No.
But we'll see what happens.
It's getting boring.
It's not boring. It's delicious. Thank you so
No,
much.
it's getting
Goodbye. All right, so now we are on the street. The Durian buffet is over, but they're continuing with the vendors. People walking along the street. It just rained. It just finished raining. The road wet, not really flooding. Let's see what we can find. Kids just want to walk the streets and check things out. Have some street food. Wait, they let motorcycles in? Yeah. Ở bên đấy. Oh, the looks like the Durian festival. It's still on. They're just selling what hasn't been sold during the weekend. So we're just here walking, playing concerts. There's, vendors of all things, food, toys, clothes, shoes, you name it. They're selling. It's a huge endeavor here. It's a very long stretch. Huh? Oh. In đấy. This loan has it's a type of coconut that has It's flesh in it. It's very slimy. Desserts, but that's right. Oh, time. Yeah, there's a time. Yeah, you gotta add this. It's just slimy and flavorless. With that. Playing music over there in that way. Over there, we're gonna take a walk over there. Probably definitely not gonna buy any of these. We don't really need any of this stuff. Okay.
Right. Always when they want something, they always close. When it starts raining.
Paco. Real meats there. No? I don't like Paco anyways. Kimchi. Go that way? So let's continue on with our coverage here. The police officers on the bridge there. And take care of the security here.
Chop. Oh yeah.
Oh, there's more resin and grilled squid. That's grilled squid. Not WWE. Oh, the ring. The boxing ring. This is the river, Sankai River. There are a lot of bridges along these roadways. One of the many bridges that's in here. We're gonna cross the bridge. We're gonna go that way. Try to figure out where we're gonna go. I'm in the wrong way, but people go the wrong way traffic all the time. So they come that way. Alright, we're at this very edge here. We're gonna walk straight over there. Well, that's cool. That's very nice. It's cute. They hand stitch it themselves, it looks like. That's cool. I don't know how they did that. That's pretty cool. That's some good handy craftsmanship over here. And coconut jelly over here. What I don't like is they let pedestrians walk looking at all these vendors, but they allow motorcycles, scooters, cars, or whatever drive along the street. It's not very pedestrian friendly, but that's how they do it here. I mean, I did mention that you have the vendors facing towards the river and have them, you know, there's a sidewalk on the river where you can just walk. But where you just walk. But they don't do that. They have the vendors face the streets, which is a bad idea just because of the traffic flow. Horrible. So if they have the vendors face the river and then pedestrians walk along the sidewalk, it would be better to have the cars and the motorcycles and the what have you just use the streets. But they keep on doing this, which is, again, horrible. You get like possible incidences that may happen. Where's Lynn buying here? It's a burrito wrap. That old man's beard. Good. What is it? Muối chanh nữa nè. Đó là muối là ra đây ra bên ra mà. Anyway, I'm gonna start looking around, see what we can get. I'm gonna stop recording for a little bit so you gotta enjoy all the stuff here. And look at it and see how things go.
getting one too. Now you're boy.
Do I get it decorated?
I don't know. Probably.
What?
I don't get it decorated with that stuff. Am I allowed to? Or is that
Wow, jaw.
Tình người ta có lý chưa thế à?
Wait, is there no spoon?
you know, you get it yourself.
I have to do it with my hands.